Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. It's Wednesday the 2nd of October 2024. We all know what that means, don't we? Champions League Day, Liverpool v Bologna. We are there for a match day build-up vlog. Haven't done one of these for a while, so see how it goes, eh? That's one intro. Come on Liverpool! Welcome back everyone, we're just by the main stand. I went up the steps to have a look at the way it's all looking, overlooking everywhere around Anfield. The band warming up, practicing. Stores are setting up, get your merchandise, but no half and half scarves please, definitely not. Already, atmosphere is slowly starting to build. A good 4 hours yet before kick-off. That's wondering what our coach is over there turning up. Definitely won't be LFC not this early. Is it Bologna turning up early? Very early because they're going in. If that's the Bologna team, surprised everybody. Can't see him being this early though. Can't be, can it? Can't be. Wouldn't turn up this early. Not sure what coach that is. I'm just going to go and head over, see if I can see anybody on board quick before it goes in. I'm not that far away to be honest. Yeah, the coach is gone, but I couldn't really see because of the blacked out windows. I'm not expecting that was a team coach, not this early. All the TV crews are all here for a really big setup to be honest. Ready for tonight's massive game. It seems so strange, you know, playing another Italian team straight after playing AC Milan away, with it being Bologna. But we'll have a quick walk down Anfield Road, see what's going on, shall we? Very windy today, so if you can hear that up on the mic, I apologise. Never get bored of seeing this beautiful grounds. Of the law. Probably here in the background. That's why I'm talking a bit more now so I don't get copyrighted. Fan zone, a few people in there already. Walk on. You know what? Let's get the drone up. got to fly a drone, haven't I? While I can. It's not cut off time yet for the match, so I can fly. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit there. Good to see the bench being put to use over there. We're going to go and walk along the SKD stand side. I haven't been down there for a while. So we'll walk under You'll Never Walk Alone. It has been a fair while since been along here. Still a lovely little stand, but yeah, we need it doing, don't we? Big time. But we've been there with all the topics on the channel, and so with the other YouTubers. We've all had our voices and concerns about it, and as you saw on the video, the VT, just doing a bit of atmosphere from the air. Yeah, we need 4 mega stands now, but a long wait, unfortunately. She's an old stand, is the, well, it's not she, is it? The old SKD stand, but yeah, what will be, will be. The Champions Club. I'll take any kind of a win tonight. 2-1, 3-1, that'll do me. Keeping near to the top of this league as possible. Second win over Italian opposition. Been looking forward to it. November the 5th, my birthday. The arrival of Xabi Alonso from Leverkusen. What a tasty fixture that one is, eh? Liverpool, Bayern, Leverkusen on my birthday. Return of Xabi Alonso. Can't wait for that one. But we've got some unfinished business for today. Bologna. I think it's going to be tough. Come on, we're strong enough to beat them. And with this new league format in the Champions League now, yeah, we can do it. Definitely.
Thank you.
So what? Is this your first time at Anfield?
Yes.
Yes,
of course.
What do you think of the stadium?
Very nice. Very good.
What do you think the scores?
Museum top.
Brilliant museum. It's a great museum, great history.
It's very good.
What do you think the score is going to be tonight then?
I don't understand, sorry.
The score 2-1, 3-1. For Liverpool.
Yes.
For Liverpool, yeah.
One or two. One, two is good.
Have a good game. Take care.
Thank you.
Take care. Talking to those Bologna fans, very limited English, but they're here to have a good time, enjoy the game. I was having a bit of a banter with them, and yeah, it's going to be 2-3-1, 2 or 3-1 to us, not them, of course. But now they enjoy the stadium. They thought the museum tour is absolutely fantastic. But this is what this ground does to you, you know, it's a fantastic ground. I know there's a lot of people not liking it at the moment, with the 2 upgrades, and the other 2 stands have not done, but it's still a world-class stadium, and I'm glad we stayed here. It's getting near to the time. Atmosphere starting to build. I've met so many people who recognise me, and too many to mention, to be fair. Yeah. Just got to do it tonight. Get stuck into them. Arnie Slot. He's had a very positive start, I think, to his reign here at Anfield. And we may be missing Chiesa and Jota tonight, but we're strong enough. So if Nunes starts, let's hope he scores again. But I don't care who scores. Another 3 points. That's what we need. There's some Italians being interviewed over there. Let's go and interrupt the interviewer.
Nel frattempo io chiaramente chiedo scusa ai nostri telespettatori a casa, ma vi assicuro che il vento tra un po' porta via tutti qui, compresa la sottoscritta, e quindi sì.
What do you think the score is going to be?
Certo.
Welcome to Anfield. What do you think the score is going to be tonight? It's the first time to Anfield, huh?
Yes.
What do you think the score is going to be?
For tonight is hard for Bologna, 3-1 for Liverpool.
I think Bologna will be harder opposition than AC Milan.
Yes.
So I'm expecting to be 2-1, but I'm hoping Bologna can do well in the competition. They're a good side, and I like the fans. I've been interviewing some of the fans, and they're really nice, friendly.
Thank you.
I hope you all have a great night tonight. Enjoy Liverpool.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. So I just thought I'd interview the lady who's interviewing the Bologna fans. Caught her by surprise there though. Yeah, it's pretty quiet around by the King Harry pub, around 5:30 at the moment, so sort of check out, see if it's building up. They are getting ready to close off the roads, so I'm just walking back up Rockfield Road, is it? Yeah, back towards the main stand. I'm going to nearly wrap this one up because I need to get back, get some editing done, get prepared for the game. If you are a Liverpool fan and you want to appear on GreyBeard Media on the matchday build-up vlogs, come and have a chat to me and talk to me. I'm going to be on YouTube, be all over the world. You know, I did try to interview 4, but they didn't want to appear on camera, which is fair enough. The Italian group, they were sound, and that even that Italian reporter, who I kind of like gate crashed her interview and video, she was all smiles at the end of the day, so it's all fun and games. And so I've had a lot of good banter with the Italians today, great fun. I will do more in the future. And I hope Bologna have a great campaign, just not tonight. The red men do the business. Well, the atmosphere is really building now, and this is where I'm head off. So if you enjoyed this build-up vlog, I was hoping to stay for the coach arrival, but got to shoot. It was fun interviewing fans. I just wish there was some Reds who wanted to talk. I understand being on YouTube, a worldwide format, but it was fun interviewing the Italians and gate crashing, like I said. I will try and talk a lot more in videos, as long as I want to talk more, that is. But yeah, practice makes perfect. I did say I'm going to try and practice more, and if you're going to the game, hope you have a fantastic time. Our supporters all Verge and Anfield, from Italia, from Anfield, from Liverpool, from across the United Kingdom, even the world. Wherever you are coming, I hope you have a great game. And if you are coming from Italia, yeah, I hope you lose. Sorry, I'm a Red. Got to keep winning. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, or bye for now. See you for the next one.